So I got the center caps on. They finally came and I finally got them on. Look pretty good. We got one box, some type of sensor, other little. So what are we gonna hustle through tonight? This is, oh, these are the, I don't even know, throttle body rebuild kits. There is the temperature sensor wire. That is also a temperature sensor wire. And I got the lower one. To my knowledge, this lower one is the one that controls the fans. So I was gonna plug in a new system for it because my fans aren't coming on. If you remember, this is the one that leaks. The repair kit comes for both of them. So all I'm gonna do now is take both of these off and we'll head to that point. All right, I have this one cleaned up now. Here, and this one is next. That's the difference that it's gonna look like. I'll do this one next. After cleaning up the throttle bodies, I assume that's what they're called. I learned how to adjust idle. So idle is working really good. It doesn't die on me anymore. Still seems like there's a bad misfire. Seems like there's a clicking sound. I can't tell if that's coming from the valve train or something else, but it is running better. I mean, it's not dying. It used to die all the time. Got a new fuel filter on, even though it looks like it's from the days of yore. And as I was putting it on, I thought I'd check why there's so much smoke coming out. There was a EGR line that ran up and followed this and the contour of the exhaust, and I tore it out. But this is the most interesting part. Right here's the end of the Y for the exhaust, and it fell off when I touched it. And lo and behold, there's only a few bolts holding that one together. So got some gasket and some bolts, and maybe that will reduce the smoke intake and the noise deafness. So I don't know a whole lot, but it appears that we need an engine rebuild. Rough go. Looks like it's running on at least 3 cylinders, so you know, it just won't die. That's the thing. Chevy runs deep, even on 3 cylinders. It's really bobbling around though. Probably ruining the engine mounts I just put in, which were terrible experience. So my plan is to maybe park this for a brief moment, get my C3 running, get it finished sanding so I can paint it. Then step my way back over to this. It's just like, it's getting very bad. It's getting very, very bad.